How to blur video background in CapCut. First of all, you have to launch CapCut on your mobile device. After you launch CapCut on your mobile device, you can choose any of the videos from your gallery to add on CapCut or to edit on CapCut. And after you keep the very video that you intend to keep, you have to go to the next option. That is the option of video effects you can find in the down section. After that, in the search section, you have to search blur there. When you search the option of blur, you can see the various filters of the blur or the video effects of the blur. You can choose any one of them. For example, I choose this, and after that you have to keep this blur option in the entire video. After that, you have to search the next option, that is overlay, and go to the option of add overlay. After that, you have to add the same video that you put in the beginning, and when you add it, you have to add in a very nice way like this. After that, you have to tap on the very video. After you tap on the very video, you have to go to the next option. You have to scroll to the next option, that is remove background. You can either go to auto removable, or you can also go to the custom background removable, in which you have to custom the very thing in which you want to remove. I went to the option of auto removable, and after you go to the option of auto removable, you have to go to the option of the tick there, and after you go to the option of tick there, you have to wait for a while until the background is removed by the very option. And when the background is removed by the very option, you can see that the background is removed and your very video is now fine and okay. Thank you for watching the video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.